judge peered through a virtual reality headset.
So we see in the recent news that a judge in Florida was using a virtual reality headset to put himself there during the incident. This is not new. I'm going to show you a couple photos for a trial that my partner and I, Tom Conroy, had against a very large auto manufacturer. It was a 6-week trial in downtown Los Angeles. And here's some of the VR headsets the defense wanted to use. A little tongue-in-cheek, he's drinking his IPA. That's kind of how we are. But this will be more prevalent, but here's the pitfalls. One, jurors have to see the same thing at the same time. So how do we know that the 9, 10, 12 jurors, whatever it is in your jurisdiction, is seeing everything at the same time in their VR set and not being manipulated? How do we know that what the judge is seeing and the jury is seeing is factually solid? You're going to have experts on the other side make sure that it is the actual, in our case, it was an ATV crash, and it was the actual terrain that was being used? Is this an accurate depiction of how the body would move? So much expert testimony goes into so much dispute as to what is actually happening in that VR headset. Technology will get better, but I do think there are substantial pitfalls. So if you do see this, in our case, we literally had that auto manufacturer spend $3 million just on their defense of their experts to put together this dog and pony show. So if you're up against this, there's a lot of evidentiary pitfalls to keep it out, especially if you know it's being manipulated. But I think it will be more prevalent.